Kunya Momo.
Kunya mama, but what if he's so bad saying that? Are you guys gonna be my friend? Big surprise. Never seen each other before. Yay! Moving very fast because I don't have much time. Hey, what's up? Are you good? So here what? I'm taking a big risk by coming to you because at 2 p.m. I have an exam online. Alright, so yes guys, it's your Roman here again with another video, and today we are with
David.
okay, David, great. So David and I, we've been friends for, do you know how long we've been friends
I
for?
don't even know, maybe more than 3 years, maybe.
Yeah,
Something like that.
It's been a damn long time. Anyway, so as you guys would have seen in the first part of the video, if I decide to show it, I don't know how this will look. I don't even know what I'm saying, but anyways, the point is that I was in a rush, was trying to meet David, and this is what happened. So it's a very quick video. So David is from?
Guadeloupe. I'm French, actually.
Right, so he's French. Yes, you're French.
Yeah, I'm French.
He's French, he's completely French. Alright, good. So something very, very simple. So what you'll be doing today is you'll be teaching us some Guadeloupean expressions.
Okay.
That's different from French. So if you think you speak French, you might not actually understand, right?
Yeah, it's it's Creole. It's a Creole-based language. A French-based. I don't know how to say
French-based Creole.
Yeah, French-based Creole.
Alright, good. So give us the first thing to test our knowledge.
Voilà, c'est moi, quel genre?
What?
Actually, I put some Spanish in there. But quel genre, Timan?
How are you? Hey, dude, how are you?
Yeah, Timan is like water.
I recall you told me that one word before. Okay, good. Okay, let me try and repeat it. Go ahead.
Quel genre? Qui genre?
Qui genre a?
Timal.
Simal.
Yeah.
Qui genre simal.
Yeah, kinda.
Do I sound white?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Alright, so good. Number 2.
Cocafe.
Korafe. What are you doing?
Yeah. Good job. But yeah, that's what it means literally. But
What's up?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
Okay. Not bad, so okay.
I doesn't really mean something. What else? Do you want me to teach you some swear words?
Yes.
Okay, there's something that if you really want to sound like a
By the way, he's
Guadeloupean-
above 18, so that's fine.
if you really want to sound Guadeloupean, there's something that if you say that, people are gonna think that you from Guadeloupe. It's really bad, okay? If you say that, people might wanna like fight with you. So like kunya mama.
Kuya mom. It means F your mom?
Yeah, where like it means something like the kind of your mother. Yes, yeah, but it's really bad. The I don't know.
Yeah. Cunt.
Yeah, I mean, is that the word?
Like your mother's cat.
Yeah. Yeah, so it goes like kunya mama.
Kunya mama. But what if he's so bad saying that?
I think it's related to slavery. Actually, I read somewhere that it was because black slaves, they couldn't have some like how do you say that? You know, the kind
Chain?
of, yeah, they couldn't have a beautiful chain. And when you would say kunya mama, it means like your mother didn't have that, and it meant that like it was a kind of insult because it meant that my mother has one as a something, but your mother doesn't have. I don't know.
So it's a matter of privilege in a sense?
Yeah, but I mean the word for God lost this meaning.
Okay.
Now it's just more like your mother's cat. If I understand what I'm saying. If you are Guadeloupean and you see that I'm not really saying this and it's not right, just please tell me.
So let's go with our fourth expression. Like I want something that's for example, in Jamaica we'd say yo wagwan, and people recognize that you're Jamaican. So what do I say? Something that just hits the nail on the head that yes, I'm Guadeloupean.
Okay, it's not a word. It's more something like an expression. Not awa. Always it just means no. Awa. Like
So it's just hour.
you say like the expression, like you say awa. Like I don't know. Okay, can I have somebody ask you, can I have some money? And you say awa. It sounds a little bit more like native Guadeloupean. I don't know.
So okay, just like I don't think. Okay, it's like hour. I'm not doing that well. Like just it's the
Hour.
that part is important too. The part is important.
Yeah, yeah. And if you speak French, everything that you say at the end you should add some kind of ooh.
Ooh.
Ça va.
Like ça va, hein? Ça va.
Comment ça va?
Joder. Anyway, so with that said, guys, so where were we? So you're explaining something. I don't remember where we were.
I don't even remember myself.
Oh, you were saying you had like or like
Oh, yeah.
savant, like savant.
I can't really hear it myself, but French people, when they come in Guadeloupe, that's what they say. When they come to Guadeloupe, they say, when you speak, it sounds like Timano, comment ça va ou tu vas où? It sounds like that. That's what they say.
So it's like salut David.
Maybe not here, but I mean, if I speak normally,
Let's speak.
ok, in French, on parle en français.
Well, yeah, non, que fais-tu?
Ça va. Ah, ouais, ça va.
Donc, tu vas faire quoi ce soir?
Qu'est-ce que je vais faire là? Je sais pas, je vais dormir.
Je vais dormir, hein?
Je vais une partie là. Je sais pas. Attends, but I don't know, maybe I sound less Guadeloupean because I've been living here for a while. I'm not sure.
So you've been contaminated.
Yeah, I've been contaminated by like Parisian accent.
Okay. So how do we say like yo, like see you guys later, like ciao, like yo, see you later, see you tomorrow. So what's the best way to say goodbye?
À plus tard.
Something else.
In French.
Guadeloupean.
À plus tard. Wow, that's the way à plus tard? That's the way I say it. À plus tard.
Plus tard, c'est que ça?
Yeah, à plus tard, Timal.
Plus tard, Timal.
You can add Timal at the end of everything, but à plus tard, what else? Yeah, that's the only version I can think of. I don't know. À plus tard.
Okay, we can. Unfortunately, guys, we couldn't make this video much longer because time is against me. But he will be coming back to France. He will be coming back into France. We don't know when, but he will come back to France.
I really hope so.
I really hope so, and I might be in France. I really hope so. So you see, so it's really like, but it was really nice meeting you. So just something very, very quick. Upon seeing me, for the first time in person, was I what you had imagined?
Oh no, you're way more muscle than I imagined.
I don't know why people say I'm muscular, but I don't think I am. But anyways.
Because I don't know, but when I saw you on the internet, I mean, you didn't seem like that muscle. But when I saw you, I was like, whoa, okay.
And you know, and the thing is, that's why I think, like I just said, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I think it's really your own perception because I don't see myself as being big. Sometimes I think I'm too skinny. Sometimes I think I'm really, really skinny. I'm like, oh my god, like seriously. And sometimes I think I'm really fat. I'm like, oh my god, seriously. Like I have these moments where I literally see me being as skinny as you. I'm swearing to you.
Yeah, it's a kind of perspective. I mean, you're used to your body. So
yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, good. So my perception is that I didn't know you were this tall. You were literally taller than me. Like when I hugged you, I had to tip. And that's weird. Like I had to like tip. Like I felt so unmanly, but. So okay, so personality-wise, do I give you the same vibe that I give you when we talk?
Definitely. Yeah, got the same vibe. You were friendly.
You friendly. Okay, good. So that's it. We're gonna maybe just take a walk. I don't know what we're gonna do. With that said, guys, nonetheless, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to
subscribe.
Like it, subscribe, share.
I didn't expect it. Subscribe and share the love, okay? Share the love and subscribe to his channel.
Of course. So thank you guys so much, and something Tamal.
À plus tard, Timal.
À plus tard, Timal.
À plus tard, Timal. Nous avons nous les Paris. À plus tard.
I have no idea what you just said.
I'm Roman's friend, and we've met each other on, I don't remember, on Speaky, and it's been something like more than 2 or 3 years, and we finally meet today. So today's a big day. It's the first time that I see him like in real life, and that's cool. I'm gonna wait for Woman to come up so we can really introduce ourselves. Yeah, there's a woman that watching me. She must be.